Create a new project. Select ENGL deployment. Select the Windows version and edition. Enter Windows licensing details. Enter a password for the local administrator account. Enter a project description and author. Save the project. The Expert view provides advanced project configuration. Enter Autopilot settings. Run the deployment wizard. Generate the base OS and build process images. Select Image Service to use a previously downloaded pre-built image. The image content will be created for this project.